Hello and welcome to another episode of A Region Diary, the show that brings to you special stories from in and around the region. I am your host, Pooja. Well, recognizing the long history and deep cultural and economic significance of tea around the world, the United Nations General Assembly proclaimed 21st May as International Tea Day. The reason for UN celebrating May 21st as International Tea Day is that the season of tea production begins in May in most of the tea-producing countries. And in sync with the rest of the world, the Decom Tea State in Assam's Dibrugarh district recently observed the International Tea Day primarily with a view to increasing consumption of tea. Take a look.
Famous for the rare variety of tea named Golden Butterfly, the management of Decom Tea Estate along with the tea garden workers recently observed the first edition of the International Tea Day in the tea garden. The International Tea Day is an opportunity to celebrate the cultural heritage, health benefits and economic importance of tea. On the occasion of the International Tea Day, an information center and a YouTube channel for the children of tea garden workers were launched at the Decom Tea Estate.
This is the first time we are observing this day today, International Tea Day. UN has actually fixed up this date, 21st May. There's two things. One is to popularize the tea as a popular drink, and secondly, to remember the people who has actually contributed to establish this industry, the workers, management, everybody. I'm happy to announce that we have started one YouTube channel also for education. You know, the tea garden students, they don't have access to the Google Meet or Zoom or something like that. So here we have started this YouTube channel and they can access this in their Android phone, or we have got the other portable device also. We can give it to the people.
The management of the Decom Tea Estate also took the opportunity of acknowledging the contribution of some of the former workers of the garden who toiled hard in extreme conditions for the development of the labor-intensive industry. They were felicitated with a fulam gamusa, mask and sanitizers.
আজি ইয়াত বাগানৰ মেনেজমেণ্ট আহি আপোনাক সম্বৰ্ধনা জনালে গামছলে কেনেকুৱা লাগিছে আজিৰ দিন
আজিৰ দিনটো এতিয়া ভালে লাগিছে এনেইতো চকীদাৰ বাগান চকীদাৰ কৰিছিলোঁ
আচ্ছা
তাৰপাছত আকৌ বাগান চকীদাৰ কৰি পেলাই লাইন চকীদাৰ হ'লোঁ কমচে কম 8 বছৰমান কৰিলোঁ লাইন চকীদাৰ তাৰপাছত মানে ৰিটায়াৰ হৈ গ'লোঁ.
In addition to recognizing the medicinal property of tea, the UN has also considered the beverage as an important ingredient of its Sustainable Development Goal program. It hoped tea will play a pivotal role in eradicating hunger and poverty across the world.
Pertinent point of observing International Tea Day on this time is because it has got a tremendous amount of medicinal values, and even the people are saying that it has got the immunity booster property for even COVID-19.
Tea is the backbone of Assam's economy, as the state produces more than 50% of India's total output, consumed by the international as well as the domestic market.
Decom Tea Estate observed the first ever International Tea Day with a multiple objective. Well, first it was to honor the contribution of the past who had laid the very foundation of this tea estate, in fact the tea industry of Assam. Secondly, they launched a YouTube channel through which they want to impart education during these days, lockdown period of COVID-19. There are thousands of students who go to the outside towns in Assam, and Assam's various towns for their education from the tea estates. So this YouTube channel developed by the company's management is likely to come very much handy for the students. So this is how International Tea Day for the first time was observed in Assam's Dibrugarh district right here in Decom Tea Estate. With camera person Pranib, this is Ripunjoy Das reporting from Dibrugarh for Northeast Live.